Hi guys, welcome to Yogi Snooker, and today's video is a bit advanced practice routine, and I would suggest that the players who are struggling to hit their first 25 or 30, it'd be difficult for them, but players who are struggling in their 40s and cannot make 50s or 60s, they should try this practice. The catch in this practice is that you have all these balls. There are five reds. There's a one on the pink spot and two on this side and two on that side. So five reds must be potted in the middle pockets and the black ball in its both sides of the table. So it's an interesting practice, and see how we're gonna complete this practice and how many of you going to be successful. Please make a video of your practice routine and send it to me, and I'll showcase it on my YouTube channel, my Instagram. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, before we start this video, please do subscribe my channel, follow my Facebook group, and follow my Instagram, and of course TikTok. And let's start our today's video. I hope you enjoyed this practice and you understand that how difficult it was. At some stages, some points I had to use a lot of side, a lot of bottom, or follow some power shots. So this practice is again for advanced players, and if you cannot do it in first go or first day or first week, keep doing it. But trust me, once you do it, your break building, your game confidence will enhance very fast. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. For one-to-one coaching, please contact me. My WhatsApp number is there. If you want to invite me to your city, to your club, or you want to visit me to my city, my country, my club, please message me. So thank you very much. Take care. Bye.